This is a shocker coming out of Andhra Pradesh, and it's the former leader of Andhra Pradesh who's been named in a hit-and-run accident. Yet another controversy that's erupted in the state in connection with the former Chief Minister's visit. This time around, it was his visit to the home of a former Sarpanch. 3 days after the man who was a supporter of his party, who was reportedly dead, he was run over by a vehicle. This was basically the vehicle in which the former Chief Minister was in fact, in that car. As you can see, the supporter of his YSRCP party was there to shower petals on his car, but he came under that car. Video has now emerged with shocking details. Well, Uma joining us. Uma, visuals of the man who was seen showering petals on the car. He was a supporter of the YSRCP party. Take us through the details that have emerged now in regard to this, senior gentleman who was knocked down by that car of Jagan Mohan Reddy.
So the police have now said that Chili Singaya, as an elder man who had in fact tried to shower petals or reach out to YS Jagan Mohan Reddy while he was on a tour of Palnadu, that he had come under the wheels of the very vehicle in which the former Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy was travelling, and therefore the sections of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and also 49 of the BNS, which talks about abetment, without any other provision existing, abetment to a particular crime. Both those sections have been slapped against the former Chief Minister. Of course, the driver of the car, Ramna Reddy. YV Subba Reddy was a former MP. You also have Prerni Nani, who is a former MLA, and you have also Rajni, who used to be former minister in the YS Jagan Mohan Reddy cabinet. So very serious sections slapped against the former Chief Minister for having caused his death. Earlier, the case that was registered was of causing death due to negligence, and at that time it was based on evidence that the police had gathered immediately after June 18. There was only a report saying that 2 deaths had happened following the convoy chaos that was caused by the convoy, but the SP had at that time clarified, Guntur SP Satish Kumar, saying that it was a private vehicle, a Tata Safari, under which the elder man had come by accident, and that it was about 50 meters ahead of the vehicle of YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, and that it was not part of the official convoy. But now the SP has clarified, saying that additional evidence has emerged, including drone footage and other mobile footage and circumstantial evidence, which suggests that it was the Fortuner in which YS Jagan Mohan Reddy was travelling, in which under which this Singaya had come and died.